Hey guys, Mitch here. This should be a pretty quick pre-market plan. Honestly, the structure on the day is quite thin. I brought some attention to that last night. The purple lines you see on the screen were the straddle based on the overnight open, and we obviously sold down steadily all night into that. I actually thankfully caught that trade from around 95 here during the US game and just left it overnight and woke up to a nice exit. And now we've kind of retraced back into the middle of this little range you see here. The blue bars are the current straddle price based on where we are trading right now, and I think it's fitting that it's currently framing this main range here around 7,600 to 7,550 on ES. I think that's kind of a key spot to the downside. It's not a strong balance or support necessarily, but the positioning is thin generally, which is kind of inherently risky because there's no real strong presence of positions that say this is a firm support or this is a key risk area. I think it's just naturally a little flimsy and thin outside of the wings where you've got some deeper positioning is a little heavier. And then to the upside, clearly there is far more positioning. People think we're going to go up, but they're selling against just how far we're going to go up. So I think today the big test is this strike, if you can get to it near 76.25. If you clear that, then you can kind of get our up and stuck kind of choppy up into the positive positions. But if you fail that, or fail to clear near it, it's kind of pointing back down towards this key strike around 7,600. So given yesterday's price action, kind of where we're set to open today, I think we will be trading in this main range here. So I'll be watching to see just how much movement we get inside of this range or at the edges of it. What kind of behaviors are we seeing to trade back to the top of the range? And do we get a nice move up to extend? And if we fail, where are we going to come back down to? Those are the kind of key areas I'm looking at: 7,600, 7,615, 7,625 to the upside. And then how well are we holding into this kind of 76, 75, 60 to 50 area on ES that opens the door to kind of that thin positioning to the downside. I do think from a charm perspective, you kind of don't have a lot of opportunity unless you are up and over this 25 strike. You are naturally going to want to settle back down, it seems like. So we'll just see how fast do we make a move up? Do we sustain it? How deep of a move do we get down? Do we sustain it? Or do we just kind of do the range bound dance today? So I will be patient and see what presents itself there. But that's kind of my plan as far as spots to watch. So tune into stream today. We'll cover this a little more, see where we are post London, and good luck.